Hi everyone, this is No from Singapore. I'm in batch 2 of the HTC program, and I found Dan Locke in an interview with Stephen James from Project Life Mastery. And after reading Dan's book, FU Money, and watching the webinar, I find that Dan's principle of having financial confidence instead of financial freedom, I find that it makes a lot of sense. So I actually had tried a few money making programs, making money online programs, but I haven't seen much fruition from them. Dan's course focuses heavily on the ability to close, besides having a right mindset, which I believe is in principle is a fundamental skill one needs to have to actually make money, online or offline, regardless. So the HTC program is actually done live every week over 7 weeks, and trainees will actually get to interact with Dan Locke himself live and ask questions if they have. And I believe that is a very enriching experience for the trainees, which is very different from the other programs that I have tried before. The other programs were just pre-recorded video trainings that the trainees have access to on a website. So what amazes me about the HTC program is that Dan and his team has made the effort to provide a platform where students can interact and practice with each other. They are able to have role plays with each other on a certain chat platform, and Dan has also created a Facebook group which he calls the HTC family, where students can interact, ask questions, and basically support each other. Everyone is so positive and so supportive, which is a very good environment to be in, and then focuses heavily on having a good environment for someone to actually achieve success. So where do I see myself after graduating from the HTC program? Well, I believe with this skill set, it will open doors of opportunity for me to earn high income, working my own hours, and be able to replace my current day job within the next 12 months. So if you're still on the fence regarding this program, let me just say this: you'll get the training, the skill set, the mindset, and lifetime access to a community that will support you and cheer you on in your path to success. And that alone is worth more than the investment that you will put in. But in any case, whether you sign up for the course or not,